Welcome friends. Today we shall learn how to solve linear inequations in two variable graphically. And here is our inequation, that is 3x plus 2y less than equals to 6. We have to solve this linear inequation graphically. So let us see how to do it. We shall solve this linear inequation graphically step by step. Let us see. In step 1, we shall convert this linear inequation into an equation. Then we have 3x plus 2y equals to 6. In second step, we shall put y equals to 0 and x equals to 0 respectively in this equation. Suppose this is equation number 1. In equation 1, then we have this table which shows the solution set of this given equation. Suppose we have x here and here is y, and if we put y equals to 0, then we get x equals to 2, and if we put x equals to 0, then we get y equals to 3. Suppose we have 2 points A and B. This is point A and this is point B. Now we shall plot these 2 points on this graph. Y is equals to 0 is also here. So 0 and 3 is here. So this is point B, 0 and 3. And now we shall join these 2 points by a straight line. So this is the straight line we get by joining these 2 points. So we can say that this is the straight line of 3x plus 2y is equals to 6. And we know that this straight line divides this xy plane in 2 parts. To determine the region represented by the given inequality, we take a point, this origin, and in step 3rd we shall take a point 0 0 and less than equals to 6, and this is 0 less than equals to 6, and we observe that this is true. We conclude that the region containing the origin is represented by the given inequation. This region represents the solution set of the given inequation. So we conclude that the region which contains the origin is the solution set of the given inequation. So the solution set is this region. This region is the solution set. Here is another important point to understand, that our given inequality 3x plus 2y less than equals to 6 is not a strict inequality. Therefore, the points on the straight line are also in the solution set of the given inequality. So this is the solution of our question. Thank you.